Hello everyone and welcome back with Bitcoin here. If you've been following my videos lately, you see that I drew this line for a reason, and let me explain you why maybe you missed something on my videos. I am bullish on Bitcoin in the long term, so I think that we can break this level, change the weekly trend, and go back up towards the all-time high. I am sure of that, but in the short term, I'm following this triangle, following this kind of a channel. Alright, so I know also that I didn't want to see the 26 breaks below the 200 EMA because historically every time this is not a good sign. Second, I want to see the 12 crossing the 26 and get up above. This one I want to see for me to be bullish completely in the short term. Also this line, actually this line here is my next resistance that I'm looking for too. So in my opinion, once we cross this line, we will have a good run up and I will start to be more bullish on Bitcoin. What about this line? This line to me could be the possibly next support if we're going to break this level, which is the last higher low. If we are going to break this level, we're going to confirm the weekly bear flag and we can possibly reach this support and then bounce back up. Why bounce back up? Because we also have to set our monthly higher low, and where we're going to set our monthly higher low, we can possibly set the monthly higher low here on this 12 EMA, or we can get on this point here. I don't think we are going to get to the 26 on the monthly to get the higher low, but it could be a possibility. So this is my point of view on Bitcoin. We are still down the 200 EMA, which is not a good sign. We might break this level and get a support here around this zone and confirm the weekly bear flag. We can even break this support and go back here, this point, which is the last support I see here, Bitcoin, before this one, or we're going to get our higher high on the daily, get above the 26, get the cross, and get above this resistance here and get in a safe zone. At this point, I will get into Bitcoin if the RSI on the daily gets on the teens again in this point here on this support to get an oversold bounce. So I enter with a pivot point here. So I will enter. My entry will be my next entry, by the way, on the pivot point will be here in the support one. I already entered in this support one, but since we changed the month, my next entry will be here. So my average on Bitcoin will move here on 7,700 pretty much, and I will be in with 2 entries. So if we happen to go up and skyrocketing, I don't think, but if it happen, I will be with my 2 entries. I will get my target anyway. And then my next order is in the 5,770, and my next order is in 3,872. So this is my plan for Bitcoin. So that's all for today. There is nothing new, but this is my point of view on Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you made this far, subscribe to my channel. On to the next one.